Your fridge is a masterpiece of engineering. But have you ever wondered how it actually cools things down? Let's break it down. The core of your refrigerator is the vapor compression cycle, a clever four-step loop that moves heat out of the fridge. This is where the magic starts. Liquid refrigerant absorbs heat from inside your fridge and evaporates into a gas. The compressor then kicks in, pressurizing the gas, which also raises its temperature. That hot, high-pressure gas flows to the condenser coils at the back of your fridge. It releases heat into the room and condenses into a liquid. Finally, the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve. Pressure drops, it cools rapidly, and the cycle starts again. Here's a quick look at the pressure-enthalpy diagram, a key tool engineers use to visualize this cycle. From cold milk to fresh veggies, this cycle keeps your food cool and safe, all thanks to clever thermodynamics. Want more bite-sized engineering tutorials? Hit subscribe and join us on the next breakdown.